Welcome to Jo Lyn Hub, a resource towards better English. Many of us need English in our life. A few need it at their workplace, a lot need it for academic purpose, and some use it as a passion too. But there is just one thing in common. Everyone likes to be impressive. Now, what makes a communication so impressive? Is it vocabulary? Is it grammar? Or is it style and genre? Well, I would say grammar and vocabulary does play a vital role, but style and genre stands first. Here, we will be trying sessions where we can be impressive, expressive, effectively. Please join us. Thank you so much.